In this video, we are going to see how we can delete our Facebook account permanently. Just remember that it will retain the information for a specific period of time, and after that it will be deleted permanently in case you want to restore it. But let's see how we can delete the complete Facebook account. On the top right hand corner, just click on the profile icon. And from here, choose settings and privacy and click on the settings. And on the left hand side, you will see this account center options with a couple of details. You want to click on the password and security. And from here, we will choose personal details under the account settings section. And from here, we will choose account ownership and control. Click on this. And here it says deactivation or deletion, temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your accounts and profile. Just click on this. And it will ask you which profile do you want to delete. We'll choose this one. And it will show us two options. Deactivate your account. Deactivating is temporary. Your account and main profile will be deactivated and your name and photos will be removed. From most settings, you'll be able to continue using the messenger. But if you want to delete it, which is permanent, when you delete your account, your main profile and everything will be added permanently deleted. You won't be able to receive any message in all of those things. So let's click on this second option and select continue. And after that, it will show you the summary of what you want to do. There are these posts and photos and all. You click on continue, and that is how you can delete it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.